What makes washing your car even more fun? The fact that you have quality supplies to use. Take a look at this adjustable 63-inch long handle brush. The brush head is super soft, but it does such a nice job getting the bugs off. The finer bristles touching the vehicle surface is to prevent scratches. Also, notice the power that the hose has. It connects to a garden hose, allowing easy control of water flow during the car scrubbing. The customizable handle is perfect for short people like me. Lightweight aluminum handle with 4 dismountable poles that extend up to 63 inches. You assemble the handle into 4 different lengths to clean any corner of your car. Now, I only showed you cleaning my truck, but you can use it for SUVs, decks, house siding, solar panels, campers, and more. The possibilities are truly endless. Okay, now this is probably my favorite part. I'm incredibly happy with the new expandable hose that it came with. It expands 3 times its original size, and it literally goes back to the size it started when you release the water. Check it out. I also love the fact that storage and cleanup is such a breeze. All you need to do is wind up your hose and toss it into the bucket that was provided.